Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng word problems involving quadratic equations. So, simulan na natin. So, ito ang number 1. The sum of squares of two consecutive even integers are 244. What are the two numbers? So, lagyan natin ang given. So, ang given natin, So, let x po will be the first number. So, ang second number po natin, since ang sabi po dito is even, so, ang second number po natin is x plus 2. So, let x plus 2 will be the second number. So, ang solution po natin, so, ang ibig sabihin nito, ang sum of squares, ay ibig sabihin po, kapag pinag-add po yung dalawa na in-square, so, ito ay equal sa 244. So, ang solution po natin dito is x squared plus quantity x plus 2 squared is equals to 244. So, i-evaluate po natin. So, ito ay x raised to 2 is x squared plus quantity x plus 2 squared. Ito po, ang pangalawang number po is square of a binomial. So, ang una po muna natin gagawin is i-square itong first term, so which is x squared. Then, itong first and second term, i-multiply po. So, x times 2 is 2x. Then, i-multiply pa din sa 2 para makuha yung second term. So, ito ay 4x. Then, yung pangatlo, i-square natin yung second term. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Equals 244. So, combined like terms po, so, ito ay 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 244. So, ililipat po natin itong 244 sa left, kaya ito po ay minus 244. Cancel po natin ito. So, 2x squared plus 4x. So, 4 minus 244 is negative 240 will be equal to 0. Tapos, para mawala po itong a, ay i-divide po natin sila ng 2, yung tatlong terms. So, itong 2 at 2 ay makakancel. So, ito ay x squared plus 4x divided by 2 is 2x. So, ito, negative 240 divided by 2 is negative 120, which is equal to 0. So, isosolve po natin siya by factoring. So, ang factors po ng 120 na ang product ay negative 120 at saka ang sum po ay 2. So, ipa-factor po natin siya. So, ang 120 ay negative 10 at 12. So, x minus 10 and x plus 12 is equals to 0. So, equate both sides to 0. So, x minus 10 is equals to 0. Yung 10 ay ililipat dun sa right, kaya ang x ay 10. Ito, x plus 12 is equals to 0. Yung 12 ililipat dun sa right, then ang x is equals to negative 12. So, ang 10 at negative 12 ay value pa lang ito ng x. So, kailangan pa po itong i-substitute sa x at x plus 2. So, i-check po natin siya. If x equals 10, then ang x ay 10, tapos x plus 2 is equals to 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Ang positive numbers po natin is 10 and 12. Ito po. Tapos, if x equals negative 12, so, ang x po natin equals negative 12, at yung x plus 2 po natin is equals to negative 12 plus 2 is equals to negative 10. So, ang final answer po natin, so, therefore, the numbers are either 10 and 12 or negative 10 and negative 12. So, ito po yung final answer natin. Okay. So, ang second problem natin is a rectangular lot is 10 meters by 12 meters. Part of a lot is removed to install a walkway of uniform width around it. The area of a new lot is 48 square meters. What is the width of the walkway? So, given, so, let x will be the width of the walkway. So, ang pangalawa is 10 meters by 12 meters. Dimensions of a rectangular lot. At ang pangatlo is 48 square meters, which is area of a new lot. Okay. So, solution. So, kailangan po nating i-drawing yung figure. So, magda-drawing po tayo ng rectangle. Okay. So, ito yun. So, itong, ano na to is 10 meters at ang length, ang mas malaki. So, ito ay 12 meters. So, magdadrawing pa tayo ng rectangle dun sa loob. Ito yung rectangular lot na bagong area. So, ilagay natin sa loob ang 48 square meters. Ang kasunod po natin is lagyan yung labas, which is x yung labas. Ito yung nasa labas as yung width ng walkway. Okay. So, itong x at ay pag pinag-add ay 2x. So, ang length po dito, ang new length po natin is 10 minus 2x. At dito naman po sa 12 ay 12 minus 2x. Okay. So, ang kasunod is magse-set up na tayo ng equation. So, 10 minus 2x multiplied by 12 minus 2x is equals to 48. Kasi, ang area ng rectangle ay length times width. So, itong 10 minus 2x at 12 minus 2x ay i-multiply, gamitin natin ang FOIL method. So, first, outer, inner, at last. So, ang first ay 10 times 12 is 120. Outer 10 times negative 2x is negative 20x. Inner negative 2x times 12 is negative 24x. Then ito, negative 2x times negative 2x is positive 4x squared, which is equals to 48. Then, i-combine po natin yung like terms. So, 120, negative 20, plus negative 24 is negative 44x plus 4x squared is equals to 48. So, itong ano na ito, aayusin natin itong equation, gagawin natin itong standard form. So, 4x squared minus 44x plus 120 is equals to 48. Yung 48 ililipat sa left, so minus 48. Ika-cancel ito, so 4x squared minus 44x. So 120 minus 48 is equals to 72. So plus 72 is equals to 0. Then pagkatapos ay ito i-divide sa 4. Tanggalin natin itong 4. Then, x squared, negative 44 divided by 4 is negative 11. X plus 72 divided by 4 is 18, which is equals to 0. Ifa-factor po natin siya. So, ito po, ang pangalawang term po natin is negative. So, dapat yung factors mo ay parehas negative. So, ang 18 is negative 9 at negative 2. At pag pinag-add yun, which is negative 11. So, x minus 9, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Equate both sides to 0. So, itong x minus 9 is equals to 0. Ililipat dun sa right. So, x equals 9. X minus 2 is equals to 0. Yung negative 2, ililipat sa right. So, x equals 2. Since ito ay parehas positive, so, pipiliin natin yung possible width ng walkway. Since itong 9 ay mas malaki, so, ito na yung sagot natin, x equals 2. So, therefore, the width of the walkway is 2 meters. So, ito yung final answer natin. Okay. Maraming salamat sa panonood nitong video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Maraming salamat.